welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be trying new products out that you guys have never really seen me try before, and I'm going to be trying out the TRELUXE brand. You actually have seen me. If you watch my wet look, you guys probably saw me try out their curl styling serum. That's what it looks like. It's like a serum, like I mentioned in that video. All their products smell so good, so you know, smells get me going, okay? They also have a cleansing rinse, like a shampoo, and I think I've tried that in another video as well. But in this video, we're going to be using their styling products. They actually have a leave-in, a cream, and a gel. You guys know, a lot of like new brands don't necessarily have a gel, and I'm so excited that this brand had a gel because you guys already know I love gels. So I already actually went in, I've cleansed and deep conditioned my hair, and I went in with the TRELUXE Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. It looks like this. Now this says it is for wavy, curly, or coily hair, and this stuff smells like a cinnamon apple candle. So like if you like those appley, cinnamony scents, you're going to absolutely love this because it literally smells like a cinnamon apple candle. I didn't use a lot because that stuff is pretty moisturizing, honestly. So I didn't use a lot, but my hair looks so shiny. Now they do have 4-in-1 styling cream, and this is what the packaging looks like. I like their packaging. It's really cute. It says this is a 4-in-1 hydrating cream. Now, my hair is already moisturized enough. My hair is pretty moisture trained at this point, so I don't want to overdo it with the moisture. And plus, I don't know how long it's going to take for this cream to actually like dry. When you do put thicker creams on your hair, sometimes it can cause a longer drying time, but my hair is already moisturized enough, so we are going to skip this. But if you are a cream lover, TRELUXE do have a cream. We're going to go in and we're about to test it out, since you already know. This high definition curl enhancer styling gel is for long lasting defined curls. It says it gives luminous shine and moisture balance. The word balance on its own just lets me know they are pretty educated on hair, because you can have a lot of moisture, but you can over moisturize your hair. There's no balance. These products are actually balanced, so that's cool. I like that it comes in a tub and not a whatchamacallit, but this gel is like a jelly, but it's like lightweight. And I feel like this is definitely gonna give a lot of moisture. When you're doing wash and goes, you guys know you need moisture. Like, moisture is key when you're doing wash and goes. This is only with the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and it looks so good already. Like, it looks so, it's so soft, you guys. I'm ready to get started. Okay, so let me go ahead and part the back. I'm just gonna take a little section. Now, you guys know I have been into not using any type of hair tools, so I've only finger detangled. I haven't used any tools on my hair whatsoever. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel, and I'm just gonna warm it up in my hands. I like to, especially for these runny kind, because I like for it to be evenly distributed. When they're very runny, sometimes you can put more up here than at the bottom. So if you could just rub it in your hands, get it nice and warm first, and then apply it, it's a lot better. Okay, for this to be runny, it's really clinging to my hair. And she just smooth them roots on down, girl. Y'all know I like when it makes my hair look really straight at first, because it's gonna curl on up. But wow, I am actually liking that. So let me see. We're gonna try one more. A bigger section. See what's popping. I'm definitely not gonna shingle my whole head. I may shingle at the top of my head. When I'm doing my bang area, I kind of need the shingle because my hair don't act right, and it's never act right at that top portion, like ever. Just gonna get some more, rub it in my hands. It's definitely not thick. So if you are thinking about thicker gels, this ain't it. But it's really clinging to my hair really well though. And if you are suffering from moisture, lighter gels just might be the key. And when you have enough water on your hair, these gels can really work really well. If you have water, you have to have water, and I do have my water bottle right here just in case, just to spray as needed. I kind of want to take my Denman brush on my ends because they doing raggedy stuff down there. But other than that, y'all, ooh, I just kind of want to take some more gel. It just feels good to run my fingers through it. Like it's really smooth. My hair is loving it right now. So I'm just gonna keep on applying these products. Well, actually just applying this because I've already applied the leave-in. So when you put the leave-in in the shower, it allows for that moisture to just go ahead and sink in. So when you start styling your hair, there's not gonna be a lot more. You shouldn't have to do a lot of detangling. You shouldn't have to really hassle with your hair a lot. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna go in and add the gel to my entire hair. I'll be back. So I have completely applied all of the products. My hair looks good. My hair looks good. Okay, let me tell y'all. This was Slip City. If you love products with slip, if that's your thing, does this got aloe vera in it? When I was doing my hair, y'all, I was like, this gotta have aloe vera because the moisture in this product is insane. And the first ingredients are water, aloe vera leaf juice. There's some glycol and then seaweed extract. And then it goes on to some other stuff. I don't know. It gives it to you in quotes. It's like rice, avocado, soybean, vitamin E. They got rice on here quite a few times, but I can tell there's a lot of aloe vera in here because the slip on this is insane and the moisture is ridiculous. But you know, we're not gonna talk too soon, but I did want to let y'all know my hair done grew out a lot. So I don't even think I have a bang anymore. So what I did, I just went ahead and did a side part and then I kind of like put a pin in it here. I'm probably gonna have to put another pin because I feel like that one just disappeared, but I wanted to kind of like slick back a little bit, kind of like that. So I am gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer, but we're doing a side part today. So I'm back and my hair is dry and it's honestly only been like 40 minutes. I wish I would have shown you guys before. I actually went to go get in under the dryer, but it's only been 40 minutes and my hair is like dry. And do you see how shiny it is? It's so shiny that I feel like it looks like white. Like, because the lights are hitting me, it's so shiny. It is so shiny. And this is what's the kicker, you guys. This is the kicker because I was not expecting holds like this. Like, I actually have a little bit of a crunch. Listen, like, you can tell like there's some holds on it. It's not like a very hard hold. It's like a soft, you can literally get rid of it if you run your hands through it type of crunch. But I was not expecting that from something so runny and slippery. Like most of the times when things are like moisturized and has aloe in the second ingredient, like most of the time they really don't hold like that. I have hold. Do y'all see my hair? Like, it looks so good. I haven't stretched it or anything, so it's pretty elongated. I can just like separate so easy. My hair just feels, it just feels so good. I am about to go in and clip some of these ends because like I said, I need to trim my ends. So I'm going to fluff out my hair, clip my ends, put on some makeup. I'm loving this short bang side part thing going on. Like, I feel like me getting that bang just gave my wash and go more body to do a side part. Like, what? Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do everything up, and then I'm going to show you guys the final after stretching, after all that. So stay tuned. I'm giving you a moment. I'm giving you a moment. Just process it, sis. Wow. Like, look at my hair. It looks so good. Like, it is shiny. Oh my gosh, y'all. I don't know why my hair looks so good right now. Like, I know my hair loves aloe vera, and I haven't really been using aloe vera on my hair lately. But, like, this gel, this is different. This is different. This is very different. I have hold, but it's, like, super soft. It's, like, y'all, it's so soft. Like, it's very, very soft. I feel like I absolutely like love it. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, my hair looks really good. It looks really, really good. I did take the blow dryer and just kind of like super dry my roots a little bit and stretch it out just a little bit just to shape it up a little bit. I haven't cut any ends off. Like I said, I'm trying to find my scissors. I can't find them, and I'm not about to cut with some raggedy scissors. We not finna do that over here, sis. The only two things that I have on my hair right now is the TRELUXE Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner, along with the TRELUXE High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. These are the only two products I have on my hair. The slip on this product is amazing. If you love slip, very, very slippery products, this is going to be a good fit for you. If you like hair that dries pretty quick because of the lightweightness of this gel, all I used was this, so the drying time, you guys, was super fast. I honestly started my wash day, I want to say 10 o'clock. It is now 12:55. My wash day is like completely done. I'm impressed. I'm not really easily impressed with gels. You guys know I'm really hard on gels. I think this really, really did really well on my hair. So yeah, you guys are gonna be seeing more of this product on my channel. Let me know if you guys have tried any of TRELUXE products, and yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you've tried any of their products. I actually like them, and they are Black owned, so shout out to y'all and congrats on the amazing product. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
Oh boy.